For Clermont homeowners, comfort is a year-round priority. With Florida's hot, humid summers and mild winters, keeping your home cool without skyrocketing energy bills can be a challenge. While air conditioning plays a big role, many people overlook one key factor in indoor climate control: window design. The style, material, and features of your windows directly affect how your home manages heat, light, and airflow. Here's how window design and climate control are connected, and why choosing the right windows matters for Clermont homes. Windows as a gateway for heat and light. Windows aren't just for views and natural light. They also act as barriers between your home's interior and Florida's climate. Poorly designed or outdated windows can allow excessive heat gain in summer, forcing your AC to work harder. Humidity and drafts to sneak in, affecting comfort. Heat loss during cooler nights in winter. By contrast, well-designed windows manage sunlight and airflow effectively, helping you maintain a consistent indoor temperature while reducing energy costs. Glass technology makes a difference. The glass you choose is central to how well your windows control indoor climate. Modern options provide far better performance than older single-pane glass. Double or triple pane glass insulates better, reducing heat transfer. Low emissivity coatings reflect heat while still allowing natural light, keeping Clermont homes cooler in summer. Gas fills, argon or krypton, between panes add another layer of thermal protection. These technologies ensure that your home stays cooler during scorching afternoons and retains comfort during cooler evenings. Frame materials and insulation. The frame of a window is just as important as the glass. The right material reduces heat transfer and prevents air leaks. Vinyl frames. Low maintenance and excellent at insulating against Florida's heat. Fiberglass frames. Highly durable and energy efficient, ideal for long-term performance. Wood-clad frames. Provide natural insulation and a traditional aesthetic, though they require more maintenance. Choosing the right frame material ensures your windows support indoor climate control as much as your HVAC system does. Design styles that support airflow. Window design also influences ventilation, a natural way to control indoor temperature and reduce humidity. Casement windows open wide, catching breezes and directing airflow indoors. Double-hung windows allow you to open both the top and bottom sash, improving circulation. Sliding windows offer large openings for steady ventilation in wider spaces. For Clermont homes, where humidity can build quickly, these designs help maintain comfort without over-relying on air conditioning. Orientation and placement. Window design isn't only about style, it's also about where the windows are placed. South and west-facing windows in Clermont get the strongest sun. Using low-E glass or adding shading features reduces heat gain. North-facing windows allow in softer, consistent light with less heat. Strategic placement of operable windows improves cross-ventilation, letting cool breezes flow through your home naturally. By considering placement, you can design windows that maximize comfort while minimizing energy usage. Long-term energy savings. Efficient window design doesn't just improve comfort, it also lowers utility bills. By reducing reliance on air conditioning and heating, homeowners see long-term savings. This makes window replacement or upgrades one of the best investments for indoor climate control in Clermont's challenging climate. Final thoughts. In Clermont, where the sun shines bright and humidity is high, window design plays a critical role in indoor climate control. From advanced glass and insulated frames to ventilation-friendly styles and smart placement, the right windows help regulate temperature, reduce energy use, and improve everyday comfort. If your current windows are drafty, outdated, or failing to keep up with Florida's climate, now is the time to consider an upgrade. With professionally installed, energy-efficient designs, your Clermont home will stay cooler, drier, and more comfortable, season after season.